Hello everyone, welcome to our yet another video of ChatGPT use cases. Hope you already watched my few videos about the shorts related to ChatGPT use cases. In addition to that, I'm adding this new video by exploring in several weeks of the new use cases in the ChatGPT. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, do like and give a thumbs up and share it to your friends as well to know the ChatGPT use cases or other Android apps reviews on the upcoming days or weeks. Whenever I get the time, I'll go ahead and verify the details of the use cases and share it with you. And if you know any specific apps to be reviewed and you want to get the detailed video of that, please share it in the comment section so that I will get the inputs and try to give a video on that as well. So let's begin without wasting your time, how to make the ChatGPT. So in today's video, we're going to discuss about how to make your passport size photo changed from the background color blue to white or white to blue or any color you want based on your current requirement of the passport size photo, or even you can use your passport size photo to be resized with the stamp size also using the ChatGPT. So if you are not using the ChatGPT and you are not downloaded the ChatGPT, please log into the Play Store and download the ChatGPT app right now and register with your email ID. Hope it will be registered in few seconds and you can log into the ChatGPT app. Now, so what you need to do is to change your passport size photo background color or the outfit. You just have to upload your passport size photo in the attachment section here. I'm going to show you in the attachment section. You can see photos, camera and files option. So you need to select photos option. I'm going to select the photos option now. So in the photos option, I have selected my photo and asking the ChatGPT to change the white background of my passport size photo to the blue background. Let's see how it works. So I usually talk to the ChatGPT like, hey bro, can you please, okay, let me type this. Can you please change the PP size photo attached here with white BG color to blue background. Okay, so I'm going to ask the ChatGPT to change it to the blue background. So let's see how it works and let's see the next step. Okay, so I'm just giving this command to the ChatGPT. Let's see how it works. So it says processing the image. It takes a few more seconds or minutes. So it says lots of people are creating the images right now, so this might take a bit. So I'm gonna make this video for on hold for a few seconds so that I can show you how it's changed from white background to blue background. Let's be back. Alright guys, now you can see that photo got changed from white background for the passport size photo we uploaded and to the blue color background, but I can see that a little bit of changes in the image, but still overall looks good. But if in case of any emergencies, you can download it by selecting it. It took 1 minute for me to just change it automatically. The ChatGPT get changed this passport size uploaded to the white background to blue background. Let me give another command to change my outfit from the shirt to a blazer with coat. Let's see how it works. Alright, now I get the command like, can you also change the outfit to a blazer, I mean kind of a coat, suit or kind of thing, and with a tie if possible. So let's see how it replies and responds with that. Let's check that. So guys, now we got the passport size photo changed from white background to blue background, and we have instructed the ChatGPT to make the changes in the shirt outfit also, and I can see that it's got perfectly fine and get the output what we desire. But unfortunately, I can see the slight difference in the photo we have uploaded, but it's not looks exactly the same as the photo we have uploaded initially, the initial photo. Now you can see that which is I have uploaded with the white background is the good one. I mean say that the photo we have really uploaded, and when I see that the background which changed with the blue color is slightly changing the face, and I can see that it's most 70% of the face is a little bit different from the real photo what we have uploaded. So what do you feel about this, the feature, what we walked through that? So guys, we can see that photo got received from ChatGPT. As per our instruction, we have given a command to change the photo outfit of the shirts from shirt to coat with a tie, and we got the perfect the output from ChatGPT. It's edited well, but unfortunately I can see the slight changes in the face, not exactly looks as we have uploaded initially. So I can see that white color background with the correct one. We have shared it to the ChatGPT app, and we got the blue color background what we decided, but unfortunately we can see that the slight changes in the overall output we received at the end of the instruction we gave with the different outfit. Okay, so this is the thing we want to share with you guys about the ChatGPT new feature. And if you know about any other feature of the ChatGPT, if you are experienced with that, you see that it's good and it will be useful for others, please give a comment in the comment section and give a thumbs up for this video, and share your comments on how this will be useful for you as well, and share your inputs. This will be very useful and motivation for me. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.